What's up, folks? I'm Private Hudson, and it is currently Wednesday, May 11th, 12 p.m. Eastern, and I'm wearing my festive shirt today because I got my food ration kit from the New York City government. For those of you who don't know, if you test positive for COVID, you can get basically some food delivered to your door for free because they don't want you being outside and infecting other people. Their choices, from what I remember, were halal, kosher, Mediterranean, Pan Asian, Latin, and something else. I'm not really sure. Um, each box is supposed to have 9 meals in it to last you for 3 days. And I picked the Latin one because I try not to touch halal or kosher food because I don't think, slitting the throat of an animal and letting its blood is a good thing. Although at the same time, here in New York City, you go outside and there's halal and kosher pizzerias everywhere. I mean, what makes them halal or kosher? Did they kill the cheese a certain way? But that's besides the point. Anyway, I picked the Latin one because I don't know, I had quite a bit of Asian food before I got sick, and the same with Mediterranean. So I've already opened the box just because I was curious. I sort of took the contents out, but I didn't really take a good look at them. So let's see what is this called officially? Get Food NYC. COVID-19 emergency food distribution. Alright, so came in, the box was cold, it's got like a freezer packet in it. First off, we got some chicken soup. Of course, the camera's not gonna, well, I guess that works. Chicken soup. I assume this was frozen at one point and it's defrosted. Put all food in oven safe bowl and heat for 10 minutes at 350 in the oven, or microwave for 4 minutes. Who heats up soup in the oven? I don't know, whatever. Then we got some. Oh, so they have the same message on all of them. Oven for 15 minutes at 350 or microwave for 4 minutes. Here we got some vegetarian baked beans. Next up, we got tuna pasta salad. Mix in grated cheese and dressing packets. Ooh. See, I picked the Latin stuff because I was hoping to get something with heat or flavor because I can't taste shit. I cooked sausages last night and it's supposed to be hot and spicy. I just can't. I lost my sense of taste. I was hoping, Latin stuff would come all spicy and shit, just to maybe wake up the old taste buds. And here we got some Chipotle pork rice bowl. Always good. Next we got pork and bean casserole. This one doesn't look all that great, but yeah. Other than that, that's kind of slim pickings. They got 2 slices of bread with what looks like 1 slice of cheese in between. Is this supposed to be a meal? Oh no, I'm sorry. It's 2 slices of cheese. Um, Smashed pinto bean salad sandwich. Not quite sure what you're supposed to do with this. It's an ice packet. As far as everything else, it's just apple, tiny orange. That's it. Just some fruit. I don't really see how this is 9 meals. I mean, well, you got 4 of these microwavable containers, so that's 4. You got the soup, that's 5. Is the cheese bread supposed to be 6? This 7, apple 8, and orange 9? I don't know. In either case, I'm thankful and grateful. Getting this shit ordered was actually really simple. And they said that you can. I asked if you can like mix and match, like make one box be Latin, second box be Mediterranean. They're like, no, it all has to be the same. But you can call and have them switch out the next box. I don't know why they can't do that automatically. So I don't know. My fridge is mostly kind of empty at the moment. So yeah, this is good. This is nutrition. And honestly, I've like no appetite whatsoever. I had 1 meal yesterday and I think 1 meal the day before. So maybe they're taking into account like a COVID dude's lack of appetite. So yeah, I could see this stretch out to 9 or so meals. Either way, it's free. It looks good and it's simple. Just put in a bowl and microwave for 4 minutes. So yeah, that's today's unboxing video. If you're in New York City and you unfortunately get COVID like me, you know, be sure to reach out, get some free food. So yeah, take care, guys.